Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? What we've got for you is a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. Now this is a pen that I found recently on, well, just a recent travels. I found a couple of pens and this was one of them. So you've not seen it in one of my pen haul videos, but it's absolutely gorgeous. As I say, a handsome fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a Swan 300B self-filler fountain pen made by Mabie Todd Co Ltd in England. If we show you the barrel imprint there, okay, you can see it says Swan self-filler, Mabie Todd Co Ltd, and then made in England. So it's got a lovely clear barrel imprint. And then if we take it up to the cap, you can also see there it says Swan SF 300B. As I said, a stunning pen. Now what does the B stand for? Does it stand for big? Does it stand for black? I'm not too sure. It's not B for broad nib because it doesn't have a broad nib. So again, any of you people out there, you know the answer, give us a shout. Tell us down below. So as I say, a lovely Swan SF 300B. The pen capped is around about 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 12.5 millimeters in diameter. And as you can see, it's got this nice sort of chasing pattern on the pen itself. It's a lever fill fountain pen. As you can see there, it's got this quite a long lever. If we take it up to the cap there, there's no cap band. You can see it's got a very recognisable Swan ball clip, and this is what it's the flat clip there. As you can see to the top there, it's got the Swan logo to the very top of the clip there. And then if we take it right to the top of the cap, there we go. We've even got the original Swan logo to the very top of the cap there. But all in all, a gorgeous pen. It was just a little bit tired. I've just sort of spruced it up a little bit, cleaned everything, put a new sack in it. It's absolutely gorgeous pen. Now let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in sort of numerous different angles. Absolutely lovely pen. If we take you up to this section there, if we turn the section round, you should be able to see there on the section it also has Swan SF 3B. Okay, so it's got the model number on the section as well. The nib is a lovely size nib, and the nib is a Swan number 3 14 carat Mabie Todd Co Ltd, made in England nib. There's a sideways view. The section underneath, lovely and clean, and also on the section, it also, sorry, not on the section, on the feed, it also has Swan SF 3B on the feed itself. So although in some cases the Swan pens had the model numbers to the end of the barrel, in this particular case we've got it on the cap, we've got it on the section, even on the feed. But there you go, look at that. With my large hands, as I say, it's quite a chunky pen. It's, yeah, I would say it's just getting into the realms of a oversized fountain pen. Very, very comfortable to hold, and to write with. So what we'll do, now this pen, we're going to find a new home for it, so I've put a brand new sack in the pen, so I'm not going to fill it. If I can just get my nails underneath. There you go. And this, just incidentally, this little lever here, you can see it's got this little sort of locking sort of section here. It's got a little hook on it which locks into a little sort of wire, if you like, just inside there. But there's the lever. There we go, locks into place. So as I say, I'm not going to fill it. I've put a brand new sack in it. So we'll leave the filling to the new owners. Let's see if we've got a tissue. Yep, put a tissue to the side. So let's dip it again. And what we've got is a Swan self filler, and as we said, this one is an SF 300B. We're dating the pen, as we said, maybe sort of right round about the 1930s, maybe the 1940s, or who knows, maybe even earlier. It's rather unusual in the fact that I've actually looked online to get a little bit of information. I can't find a lot of information on this particular model. So I don't know, is it a rare model? In my opinion, it's not a common one. It's a very handsome pen indeed. Now, does it have any flex? I would say yes, it does. Look at that. So with a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, you can see we're actually getting a lovely variation. It's a lovely wet writer, absolutely gorgeous. You can see it's got a lovely variation in the line. So a pen with a little bit of flex to it, and what we'll do, we'll clean that after the video, and we'll try and find a new home for this gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. Beautiful. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, watching this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel as well. Just down there, press that thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous handsome pen. I'm just going to say bye bye for now.